So good evening, everyone, and welcome to the new journey of Vedic Mathematics. So before I start, let me introduce myself. So I'm Dr. Yogesh Chandana, an author and a master trainer of Vedic Mathematics. Now, Vedic Mathematics, till now we think it is just a tool for calculations. No, it is a journey to change your life. You'll realize this in course of time that it is, yes, you will be having enhanced calculation speed, but at the same time it changes your life. I can cite you so many examples, people suffering from depression and all. When they started with Vedic maths, they are better. The only thing is you need to involve yourself. So with that positive note, let's start this journey. And before we move further, I think let's introduce ourselves so that we all would be together for another 3 months. Right. So starting from, yes, Aarti, what happened? Switch video off. Shilpa, Tohin, Gurpreet. So let's say Gurpreet only, because you might be knowing her.
Yes. Good evening,
Sir,
sir.
5 minutes.
Good evening, everyone.
So yes, Gurpreet, you can introduce yourself to everyone so that they can also have the same. Then we'll start with the journey.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Gurpreet here. I know sir
Video
from a
off
very
है.
long time.
Video off है.
मैं भी बच्चों को सुला रही थी सर
तो
इसलिए
फिर कोई बात नहीं, आप लास्ट में आ जाना. It's okay.
ठीक है, no worries.
Right, because see, people should know who we are. Everybody, right? Yes. So let's, Shilpa.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Chi.
Shilpa, I'm basically a science teacher from Belgaum, Karnataka. Actually, previous classes I have joined, sir, because of some of the things I could not continue. So I'm glad to continue this path, sir.
But now you have to do it. So
Yes,
I
yes,
cannot
sir.
give you excuse this time. Neither
Yes, sir.
you, neither Gurpreet.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
Gurpreet has the same excuse. Sir, I was there, I was that.
No, sir.
Nice,
This
sir.
time. Yes.
Okay. Yes,
Thank
Aarti.
you.
Rama. So I had a word with you today only. I think with rest of all, Sudeepta and other, I had a word. I don't remember all, but yes, sometimes you had. Yes, Rama, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm a teacher for the last 26 years,
Great.
and
I'm just for 5 years. So you are too old from me. With
yeah,
I have an experience of only 5 years.
so my subject is physics, and because physics needs mathematics at every step, so I love mathematics, and sometimes I feel that that is actually the gap between the subject and the understanding. So I feel that Vedic mathematics can be that key towards success for so many of my students. That will make their concepts clear. That's what I feel. So let me understand the subject first myself, and then I'll make their journey better.
Perfect. See, what I remember is in ninth standard, I scored 98 in physics. Other subjects were okay, but this was the only subject where I scored 98. And that was a day when it turned out to be a turning point because you start feeling interest towards education. Otherwise, it was okay going for exam and coming out. But yes, I was never a teacher. You learn this all. Yes, Sabesan Subramaniam. Sabesan Subramaniam. You're mute. You're on mute.
As I am Sabeshan Subramaniam from Tamil Nadu, Tiruchi district, and I already have Abacus trainer, and I want to know Vedic Maths to learn and teach the students. Our brand is Masterpiece Abacus. I'm having tie-up with 3 to 4 schools for past 6 years. That why I joined this teacher program.
Great
Thank you.
businessman.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
That's we'll talk on that also, Abacus, because I'll give you something. I'll take something from you. Yes, Sudipta.
Yes, sir. I'm from West Bengal, and I'm professionally a graphic designer and printing supplier, and
Graphic designer and
printing material supplier actually.
printing.
Printing material supplier.
Got it.
Yes.
That's great. So, graphic designers are in a great demand today. Everything we have to design.
But AI has been little bit grab on it.
No, see, AI cannot replace the human
Yes.
being.
Yes.
Because
AI
in
cannot
AI also
replace the
you have
creativity,
to feed
but
it.
Yes.
You have to
I can
feed
use it. Yes, I interested to use it always, but it cannot think creatively.
Correct. So
Only human can create.
you have to feed it. It's it's like
Yes.
what do you call bulbula pani ka. It's like that. It will burst because you cannot be dependent totally on Chat GPT or any of AI tool. Anyhow, yes. So Aarti, you're back. To him. So Aarti, let me tell about her. So she's one of our centers in Belgavi only, looking for Gurusthanam preschools. And she has translated book for Kannada medium, right?
Kannada.
Date 4 is Kannada only. So I've
Yes, sir.
But you can speak.
Okay. Yes, sir. मैं हिंदी में बता सकती हूँ सर?
बिल्कुल आप बता सकते हैं मैम.
मैं आरती पाटिल हूँ. मैं कन्नड़ा टीचर, हाई स्कूल कन्नड़ा टीचर हूँ. मैं काम कर रही थी. मैथ्स में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, इसलिए वापस ज्वाइन हो गई सर.
Great. चलिए. Yes, Tuhin, are you in the network now? Okay, we'll start. So let's start the journey. We'll again talk once we get time. Now, the very first question, what is Vedic maths? What is Vedic mathematics? The purpose we'll discuss. But what is Vedic mathematics as per you? What do you think is Vedic maths? Yes, anyone. Whatever you know. See, no one is wrong. Whatever you know about it, that can be discussed.
वैदिक मैथ्स इज ओल्ड वेदास से आया है सर. ऋग्वेद, यजुर्वेद, सामवेद, अथर्ववेद, वहाँ पर वैदिक नाम का सुना है. वैदिक मैथ्स मीन्स एक मैजिक मैथ भी बोल सकते हैं हम.
ओके.
उससे थोड़ा मैथ्स में कोई तो किसी का तो इंटरेस्ट नहीं हुआ तो भी इंटरेस्ट हम बना सकते हैं मैथ, वैदिक मैथ्स से. मेरा राय है सर.
ग्रेट. यस सुदीप्ता, Sabesan, what do you think?
I think in my point of view, apart from Abacus, Vedic Maths is we learn Vedic Maths, we can get some of the technical skills without doing the steps. We can find the answers. If we tell in one line means we can get the answer without the steps. We find the answer without the steps.
Okay. Now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's okay.
No pen, no paper. We use till find the answer.
Correct.
We can get more and more fast to do any of these subjects.
Okay, that's great.
Thank you, sir.
I'll give you difference first. Rama, what do you think about Vedic maths? I even if you don't know anything,
Whatever little I know about
no,
the
no.
subject,
Listen. I totally agree. You know 0%. No worries. But when you are enrolling for a course, you might have thought something. What
yes.
according to you? And one
Uh,
thing I'm interrupting. See, you all are going to become trainers. That is very first thing. So that means we should always discuss. Maybe you know the things or you don't know or you are in confusion. The more you'll discuss, you'll have the points to talk about. And Sabesan, very important. In Abacus, you have a tool. You give the tool to the student, and you know, you don't have to then speak more. You have to discuss about the tool, how it functions. But here we don't have anything in between. So that
Don't
means,
we have a tool?
correct. So that means the thorough knowledge is important because this
Yes,
is
yes,
the
yes, yes.
knowledge will bring the difference. Otherwise, it is same mathematics.
Yes.
We don't have to cram. So Vedic mathematics, I'm just understanding what you think about it, then I'll guide you accordingly. Yes, Rama, sorry.
Dr. Chandra, according to me, means whatever little knowledge I have, I feel Vedic mathematics, as you were telling, that it's not an instrument, not a tool. This is not only to make our calculations easy, but it's more into concept formation. If the calculation is to be done in a special way, why it is like that? That will be given by Vedic mathematics, and because I think there are some formula given in Sanskrit, there are just one-liners or two, three words, which is a gist of the concept. So it's more about concept formation than mechanical calculation.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Soumya, so we missed you. You were not there initially. Everybody introduced. No issues. I think still you don't have the connection proper. Yes, what do you think about Vedic mathematics, Soumya? See, coming to the class and then not responding means absent only. Just getting the recording won't serve your purpose. Okay, now let me give you. See, Vedic itself. Now, why Vedic? The word Vedic, it means ocean of knowledge. So the word itself means knowledge, ocean of knowledge. Why it is called Vedic? The reason behind is since it has been taken from our Vedas. Yes, we have 4 Vedas: Samved, Yajurved, Rigved, and Atharveda. So this particular subject, it is believed to be taken from Atharveda. Why I'm saying believed to be taken? Because I have not gone through that Atharveda. And most of us have not gone through it. We all know what Swami Bharti Krishna Tiraji has told. We are just following that. So it is believed to be taken from Atharveda. And that is one reason why it is called as Vedic mathematics. Now, so father, then when we talk about Swami Bharti Krishna Tiraji, he is known as father of Vedic mathematics, Swami Bharati Krishna Tiraji. And he was a great scholar, a Shankaracharya at Govardhan Peeth. Now, Govardhan Peeth is in Orissa, Shankaracharya, like we have different places. So he was a Shankaracharya over there when he gave us this subject. And we don't have total literature with us. Everything was burned. One of his disciple, she was settled in UK. She took the diary, and that diary was published through which we got the content. Right. Now, coming to a general perception, we say Vedic mathematics means it increases speed, it enhances speed. Yes, it is one of the point, but it has more other benefits. and that we'll discuss today. So the first question arises, why Vedic mathematics? Why should we learn Vedic mathematics? So many subjects are already there. Why Vedic mathematics? And as per you, the first reason, it enhances speed. Correct. I totally agree to everyone. It enhances speed 10 to 15 times faster. But the question does not end over here. This is written in every Google, every chat GPT, everywhere, wherever you'll be searching, every book, this point has been written. But the question becomes, why does speed increase?
The concentration focus.
Okay. What else? So how do we
It
concentrate on
removes the
this?
fear of mathematics in students.
Okay, so fear gone, speed increased.
Yes, they
Okay,
find interesting. They find interest in mathematics. Doing
correct.
the
Okay,
main problem of a student to calculate huge number. Numbers are very much fearing
correct.
thing. When they start playing with that number, jumble
Mhm.
with that, they find interesting and they find fun in mathematics.
That's true. But I'm just touching one point. Why Vedic mathematics? Your answer is correct. 100% correct. But right now, I have given only one reason. It enhances speed 10 to 15 times faster. And why does the speed increases? You are absolutely correct on the part why Vedic mathematics, but not on the point why the speed gets increased.
Because we are not using conventional way of addition or
Okay,
sum or multiplication or squaring. We
okay,
are taking a different approach, which is
okay.
much more easier and
Mhm.
but doing less calculation, doing less effort on it. That's why
Okay,
the speed increases.
okay. Yes, anyone else?
We can use some technical steps and skills, short tricks. This will increase the speed, helps to increase the speed.
Okay. See, very first thing, I don't call it a trick. Trick means magic. Magic means something which you feel for some time and then it goes away, because it cannot be kept for long. So Vedic mathematics is a concept in itself. With excitement, with half knowledge, we do call it as a trick, but I never call it. I say it is a life-changing process. I'll tell you why I call it. But now, first question was, why does speed increases? See, it is not every one of us agrees to it that it enhances speed 10 to 15 times faster. Again, I'm repeating. My question is, why does this happen? Okay, think about it. But I'll give you second reason why Vedic mathematics. So second reason is it removes burden. Now, what is a burden in any student's life? And particularly when we talk about mathematics, what is the biggest burden in any student's life?
Tables.
Okay, yes. Yes, Rama, what do you think?
The biggest burden is the burden of not understanding, but still committing to memory.
See, that is a wide angle, but I'm focusing right now on mathematics.
Mhm.
So what is the biggest burden in maths? As a child,
Calculation and numbers.
calculation comes later. What comes initially, and that is the first time
Numbers.
we all have gone through that, you know, So he was correct. Multiplication tables. You won't find anyone who has not been tortured, who has not suffered humiliation, who has not suffered mental harassment, who has not been physical. Nowadays there is no physical punishment, but at our times it was there. We used to cram a table of 12 and the next day teacher said 13 now. So by evening, 13 cramming and the next day 14. And today morning also I got a call from one of my friend. She said yesterday the teacher asked him table of 12. He was having some other exam, but he was cramming the table. Otherwise, I'll get punishment or I'll get. And the same thing. So see that burden. So here, in Vedic maths, you don't find that burden. You just have to remember or understand. You can say tables up till 8. That's all. Others tables you'll find within seconds you can do, which was next to impossible in any case. A very simple, if you want to test anyone, just ask maths teachers. I'm not talking about students. Let's talk about mathematics doctorates. You ask them how much time they need to write a table of 89, and you'll get the answer 5 to 10 minutes. But today we will do in 10 seconds. Any table you can do in 10 seconds. So if this technique was taught to us in that school level, class 3rd, none of the child would have suffered. And it's not that you'll say, oh, sir, trick, then how will they develop the brain? I'll talk technically, I'll talk scientifically what we have to teach. That's why I say, no, I don't say trick. I'll give you the base, one single concept with which entire arithmetics can be done. So that is Vedic mathematics. Third, he was correct. It enhances concentration. But we'll discuss, we'll go into depth in all these. I'm just writing the points, what we'll discuss upon. It enhances concentration, focus. Now question arises, why does this concentration increases? That also we'll discuss. But concentration is very big problem. If you remember, when you go with your child for a PTM, or when your parents used to go with you for a PTM, the only common, if there was no complaint, there was one complaint. The child is not focusing in the class. He's not paying attention. He's not concentrating. If no complaint, if complaints, then it is okay. But if there are no complaints, then only also this complaint is common. They are not concentrating. They are not focusing. They are not paying attention. And my simple question to all of them was, did you teach how to pay attention? Do you teach how to concentrate? Do you teach how to focus? There is no topic where we have been taught how to focus. So this comes naturally, but how it comes, when you find something interesting, you'll understand this also. Then you don't need scratch works, rough work. Don't take it Sabyasan personally now. So no scratch work, no hand movements, you can say, or finger. With abacus we develop that hand movements, and which when we are sitting in a public place, we do feel awkward on that. So in Vedic maths, that is not required. Everything can be done with the brain itself, right? So no scratch work, no. And the fifth, last but not the least, very less silly mistakes. What are silly mistakes? Silly mistakes are your multiple carryovers or your borrow. Now, whenever you are doing addition or multiplication, you get carryovers. And when the carryovers increases, We generally make silly mistake. We just forget. And that is a common mistake with every class 1, 2, 3. And once you start getting lower grades, you're not able to rise up. And one more reason about that is, I'll give you the reason that also. And similarly, borrow. So let me tell you, in Vedic maths, we don't have borrow. There is nothing called borrow. No borrow at all. Coming to, then what is Vedic mathematics? See, if I say in a single line, it is what makes your Vedic maths or mathematics is that makes your mathematical calculations simple, easy, and faster. All the three things: simple, easy, and faster. And if you have to define in one word, we can say it makes your calculations magical. Right? Technically, if you need to define, so Vedic mathematics is a set of instructions, or it is a tool which makes our mathematical calculations simple, easy, and faster. Okay, can anyone tell me how many formulas do we have in maths? Anyone? Approximately.
So many.
We are talking in maths language. So how many? So many. More than 100, more than 200, more than 1,000, more than 20.
No exact idea.
More than 100?
So in trigonometry only we have 108 something. So when we talk about other, it is too much. But for your surprise, here we have only 16 formulas
16.
Yeah.
and 13 sub-formulas. But we don't call it as formulas. Here we use the word called sutras. So 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Right? So these 29 and entire mathematics, please, I'm focusing on the word entire mathematical calculations can be done. Let it be your arithmetic, your algebra, your trigonometry, your calculus, conics, coordinate geometry, and even organic chemistry. It's not organic chemistry, it's calculations wherever you find that can be done with ease. So even in physics, do you remember, Rama,
Yeah.
what is value of pi?
22/7.
Correct. So 22 by 7 we use in maths also, we use in physics also, correct?
Yes,
And
yes.
that means we have to divide by 7, correct?
Yes.
I'll give you a big shock. Dividing by 7 after the decimals gives only 6 digits. Only 6, whatever is the number.
Mm-hmm.
I'll tell you today also. And I have a story to share with. I done my engineering in 97. Last to last year, 24, when we had 25th alumni meet, I asked my professor, do you know dividing by 7 gives me same 6 digits every time? He said, no. I said, if this was taught to us, we would have saved at least 10 to 12 minutes in M1, M2, M3, your any exam wherever mathematical calculations were there, because every time pi was used, and even in physics. And still people don't understand that. Very simple. So that is one thing, right? Yes, so I was at that question, why does speed increases? Coming back, I just gave you certain points. Why should we learn Vedic maths? But still, the first point is unsolved. We all have crammed this definition. Sir, it enhances speed. But why does speed increases with Vedic maths? That is the question. कल को बच्चे ने पूछ लिया तो क्या जवाब देंगे आप? और सबसे बड़ी बात, चैट जीपीटी के पास भी नहीं है, वो भी घुमाएगा जलेबी. Because technically they have not been fed this thing. So why does speed increases? Yes, tell me.
Is it just like when a small child starts reading, he or she reads letters because the whole word is not known to him. Then word to sentence, then one sentence at a time. But then if you can see it from a higher level, when you can see the whole page, I think then your speed increases.
Okay. Chalo. So I'll give a hints now. How do you write on paper? Which direction?
Left to right.
Perfect. How do you read a paper?
Left to right.
Left to right.
So we write a paper left to right. We read a paper left to right. Now all of you are sitting at your places. Just see in front of you. There might be a cupboard, there might be something placed. What do you see first, left side or right side?
Right side.
Right side.
It will be obviously left, because our brain works like that. It will start reading or observing the things. So that means everything you do from left to right. Now the question arises, when everything you do left to right, why do you do maths calculations right to left? Why reverse?
Because of the place chart, once tens.
Sorry, come again.
Place chart.
Place values.
Once tens, hundreds.
Did you try the reverse way? Did you try the reverse way?
No.
Yes, Rama.
Actually, there can be, in case of subtraction, you can do it by reverse way and it will take less time. But in school, it was not learned, taught. I think that's a real reason. We should deal maths from left to right, not right to left.
Okay. Yes. So others are not there. Yes, Sudipta.
Yes, sir.
Why do we do maths right to left when everything we are doing left to right?
As we have learned from our childhood, sir.
Wow. So whatever you have learned from childhood, are you following that?
Yes.
What good habits you were taught, good values you were taught. Have we followed what our parents advised us? Did we follow?
Yes, we are still following.
Yeah. See, please understand. I'm not particularly. I'm pointing you.
Yeah.
Our parents taught us about. Let's talk about. Let me talk. Give you example of food. What we were taught: roti, chapati. What we are having: pizzas, pastas. What about dressing sense? Sari was our and simply now what we have been following. So why
Yes.
only in the case of education you say whatever has been taught we are doing that?
Yes.
For other things you change with time. Oh, this is as per the new time. Why not with education?
Yes.
Now tell me.
Yes.
Yes, Soumya, now
No,
you are
sir. The concept was built from the smallest to the largest. So
which
what
is
we
smallest?
means smallest number. Smallest number is 1-digit number. Then bigger than that is 2-digit number. So we have always added and made the next one. We have not broken
What
down
are
it.
we supposed to do? Calculation in calculation, are we supposed to check with the smallest and the largest, or we have to perform the calculation?
We have to perform the calculation.
Then we are not supposed to observe or on the things. Okay, साइकिल तो चलाई है, आगे से हवा होती है तो क्या होता है? What happens when wind is flowing from front?
You feel difficulty in
Correct.
progress.
And what if it is from the back?
It actually supports your movement.
Got my point. Now you are reading from left to right this way. See, I'm not talking about any calculation to be done on paper and pen. That you are best. I'm talking about brain. I'm talking about mental. You're reading this way. How can you calculate this way? Can two opposite actions can be taken together? That was a reason.
No.
That is the reason why our mental speed or mental calculations have been going down. The moment you'll start calculating also from left to right, you'll be faster than the calculator. And let's see which topic we take today. I bet on it within 10 minutes, you can multiply 40 numbers together. And with the speed more than calculator. Because you will understand that why this speed, how does it work? It's not that we have been taught in a wrong way. The thing is, our Vedas have more knowledge than anything. And if we try to understand those things, we are better. So in Vedic mathematics, throughout our sessions, you'll see we can calculate left to right also and right to left also mentally. So the calculation would be irrespective of the directions. All the calculations you'll be able to do left to right or right to left. Some of you might feel initially, I can do right to left only because yes, you have done on paper and pen, so you'll be using paper and pen. But what I focus is start doing mentally, and mentally you'll be faster when doing left to right. But both the ways you can do. So you are independent of doing this from the direction. So that independence leads to the speed. So this is one factor why your speed increases. And I'll prove it. We will calculate. Second point. So Rama, what happens if your maid is absent? Are you able to do your cooking or something faster or slower?
Slower.
That means you are 100% dependent on the other person. You are you understand my point. If you have to do something yourself, that is faster, or if you have to give further and he does, then that is faster.
No. Like if she helps me in the steps, then it is faster. But if I have to instruct her at every step, then myself is faster.
That is what is there. When we do the things independently, then we are always faster because we know what we have to do. If we have to guide and the other person has to do, then how can we go ahead? So here also, you will be doing most of the calculation without paper, without pen. So when you are not using even a paper and pen, you are independent of paper and pen, then automatically your speed is increasing. Got my point? So independence is one factor which always increases the speed. Okay. Third, now this is, you know, during IS exam, the first question they ask is, how many stairs did you climb and reach to the exam hall? And we used to laugh at that. Why that question is asked?
Whether whatever you are observing, your mind is registering that or not. You are simply seeing things, you're not registering.
That's what, there is a difference. Seeing and observing itself is two different things.
Yes.
Got my point? So it is how keen observer you are. See, everybody has two eyes, everybody can see everything. Correct. But how many of them are observing out of that? That plays an important role. My point. So that was a reason. Here also, we will focus more on visualization. And this visualization will lead to reasoning. Reasoning will lead to logics. And once this cycle is complete, VRL, I generally call it as life-changing process. Because a very simple example to this is, when we were in our childhood and we were fighting, our parents used to separate the two kids, siblings, or two students, madam used to do in the classroom. And they used to say, calm down first. Why? See, the basic reason behind that was we should come to the situation to understand ourselves, to observe, to visualize the situation. And once you visualize the situation, you'll say, oh, this was a small issue, finish. It happens. You call me, I'm in a different mood, I'll say blah, 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 blah. Now, if you respond immediately, what will happen? We'll start quelling. But the moment you think, let's not talk today, the next day I'll definitely realize that I was at the mistake. So visualization always leads to reasoning and logics. In maths also, I'll give you how this visualization will give the benefits. See, everything we work for benefit. It is not monetary benefit. It is any benefit. And with maths also, that benefit comes. Small things. You're taking time for some calculations. You start visualizing something, you get faster. So that is a benefit. Right? So VRL. This is one reason for enhancement in the speed. Visualization, reasoning, and logics. And that is what leads to the PTM problems. There is nothing called concentration. It is your interest. Has anyone ever complained your child is not focusing on games? No. Everybody loves it because they find it interesting. So if education is also that interesting, people love. And this is what you have to make mathematics so interesting. And that is done with Vedic maths, that students start loving it. And once they start doing that, they get the results also. Their marks improve. And once some benefit comes, you always feel better. Then you will automatically pick that book. You'll automatically do that thing only. Concentration is nothing but repetition of the things. Then only it enhances. There is no medicine for concentration or focusing. It is your interest. So we need to understand this thing. Interest has to be developed. Right? The fourth point. Okay, tell me. There are two brains. Biologically, we say one is left brain and one is right brain. Can you tell me which brain is active in which student?
For right hand is left brain.
Very good.
Left hand is right brain.
Do you have grandparents at your place?
Yes.
I asked, do you have grandparents at your place?
No.
Does any grandparent allow writing from left side? Yes, Abhay.
No.
So
No,
that means they are restricting to use your right brain.
Yes.
Is it possible? They were so knowledgeable. You cannot write a table. You cannot spell the table of 1.25. Your mother or your grandmother can tell me. You cannot calculate the bill of milkman on even paper. She can tell you verbally. So do you think they would have done this mistake? No. See, there is nothing related to left hand or right hand. It is how we do the things. How it is more on the behavior part. Right brain active means people who are more into creative side, arts, music. And left brain means the students who are always into logics. If they might be sitting at the back of bench of the class, but their question is always, why, sir? How, sir? Why? How? So understand, they are logically stronger. Their left brain is active. But with Vedic maths, I can make both your brains active within seconds. You need to understand that. And the biggest brain exercise is multiplication by 2. Can you think? Multiplication by 2 is the brain exercise. Because we'll not multiply the way we have been doing vertically. No, we can do multiplication of 2 just horizontally. And not 2, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 40, 64, 128, and so on. And both your brain will start working. You'll feel yourself. So when both the brains become active, then the speed automatically increases. So these are the 4 basic reasons behind speed enhancement. The first is we are not dependent on the direction. We can do the calculation left to right or right to left. No worries about the direction. Second, we are independently doing everything. No use of paper and pen. Yes, small calculation you can do without paper and pen, and for big, you have to work hard. You have to practice. So some people might question, sir, small calculation we are able to do without paper and pen. For bigger we need. It's not we need, it is we lack in practice. Right? And third reason is VRL, the visualization, reasoning, and logics. So when you start visualizing the things, you get the reasons and logics. That enhances. When your logics are clear, when your reasoning is clear, what is speed? You interrupt or you get slower when you are not confident. And last but not the least, your brain activation. When both the brains get activated, then your speed increases. So let's take this topic only today. I'll show you how your speed get increased. Yes, any doubt in these 4 points? I've just discussed only one point, why Vedic mathematics. And the first reason I gave, it enhances speed, because this is what we all know. This is what we all say. Yes, any questions till now? Yes, Shilpa, again.
No, sir.
Aarti? Yes, Rama. Any question you have?
No question.
Okay. Now, there are 3 things. First, listen to your target. Today is the first class. 1 hour is gone. 5 hours are left. After 5 hours, you all have to start teaching. What you will be teaching, I'll tell you. First, understand, no student is going to come to you to learn maths. Their parents have forced them to sit in front of you. And they don't want to learn. This is a worse situation. You will be talking to someone who will say, जो मर्जी कर लो, मैंने पढ़ना ही नहीं है. Got it? So your class should be so interesting. You don't have to discuss all these points what we discussed now, because this is what you should have thorough knowledge about it. Students don't need right now. You can take it after some classes, but initially 3 things you have to focus on. So let me start that way only. First thing is confidence building. Second is same, removal of fear or burden, you can say. And the third is speed. So first 3 classes, or this might take 6 classes for students. You can take 2 classes of every topic, but we'll do in 3. So these 3 topics will give the background or the base to the students. Confidence building. Why they are not confident? Why students are not confident in maths?
Because they don't understand.
What is difficult in maths to understand?
Sir, from the very beginning, borrow, carry over. They never
Borrow,
understand.
carry over से
हाँ,
पहले
मतलब
एडिशन आता है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, हम वहीं से चलेंगे. आपने सही पकड़ लिया. सो क्या प्रॉब्लम आती है बोरो में?
टीचर या पेरेंट्स सिखाते हैं कि ऐसे करके काउंट करना है, यहाँ से वहां 1 चला गया, वहां से यहाँ 1 आ गया, इधर कम हो गया, उधर ज्यादा हो गया. वो समझता ही नहीं है भाई क्यों है.
ओके, आप सीधा सब्ट्रैक्शन पे आगे. डज ही अंडरस्टैंड एडिशन?
ना, नहीं अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं.
ओके,
नहीं करते हैं.
yes, Sabesan, what up as per you? What is why they are lacking in confidence?
Rest of maths in other subject they can easily they can understand or not. They can go to the mug up or memorize the subject. But here maths they cannot able to My memory, I think it's a reason.
Okay. Yes, Shilpa?
Because I don't have the confidence because addition, subtraction they are doing on their fingertips. As I'm also said, the borrowing is the main challenge which they are facing from the beginning. So
Borrow comes in after you have done addition. What
सर
about
कैरी
addition?
ओवर कैरी ओवर नहीं समझते हैं.
yes, sir.
Chalo. Yes, Sudipta, what according to you?
Actually, when they are doing the math, they faces lots of errors, and they lost the confidence.
You are halfway to the answer. So, Rama, the basic problem, you know what is? The problem is, I'll give you a question. 26 plus 24 is 50.
Mhm.
Can you check this answer? Can you verify this answer?
Correct, sir.
Yes.
Tell me.
Verify is 20 plus 6, 20 plus 4, 20 plus 20 is 46 plus 4 is 10, so it is 50.
That you have already done in fair work. You know why I asked this question? Right when you were in class 1, till whenever you, up till which class level you do mathematics, in every maths exam, we are given a rough sheet.
Yes.
Why?
For cross-checking only.
Yes, to check and verify our answers. This was what was told to us. The madam used to say, check your answers, verify your answers before you submit the paper. My simple question is, have we been ever taught how to check the answers?
No, sir.
बहुत बाद में जब
कब?
डिवीजन करते हैं तब.
वो तो 6th स्टैंडर्ड में आता है.
हाँ, 6th स्टैंडर्ड में, उसके पहले कुछ नहीं.
तो 5वीं क्लास तक बच्चा टेंशन में जीता रहे, फेल होना शुरू कर दे, फिर आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि वो वापस राइज करके टॉपर बन जाए. इज इट पॉसिबल? आपने ठीक कहा 6th स्टैंडर्ड. हाउ टू चेक एडिशन, हाउ टू चेक सब्ट्रैक्शन, हाउ टू चेक मल्टीप्लिकेशन, या वो होते ही नहीं है. इवन डिवीजन में you are taught how to check when the answer is given in question and reminder format. What about decimal? 75 divided by 2. So it is 37.5. How will you check this? मैंने गलती से कुछ भी लिख दिया, 36.5 लिख दिया. फिर हाँ, मैंने अगर 37 क्वेश्चन लिखा, रिमाइंडर 1 लिखा, then you can check. But what if I wrote the answer 37.5 then? Yes, anyone?
सर तब भी फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन वी एक्चुअली टेल कि मतलब जो सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हो तो नीचे का दो जो नंबर है उसको ऐड करने से अगर ऊपर का मिल जाता है तो आपका सब्ट्रैक्शन करेक्ट है. उतना करते हैं, लेकिन एडिशन के लिए ना, नथिंग इज देयर इवन फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
So that is where we are in a trouble. Every time, देखो बच्चा जब पैदा होता है पहले दिन तो भागता नहीं है ना, गिरता है, लड़खड़ाता है, हम हाथ दे के थाम लेते हैं ना. Here, what was the problem? A child always, कोई क्वेश्चन आप आज दे के देख लीजिए, फर्स्ट क्लास के बच्चे को, सेकंड को, थर्ड को, फोर्थ को, 10th को, as per their level, give them the questions. The first thing they'll do is they'll do and they'll ask their teacher, they'll ask their parents, they'll check with answer key, they'll check with calculator, and now AI. What is their intention? Is this a answer. Every time they'll ask you. A teacher gives one question, ma'am, is this an answer? So what you have to do, what is our target? They should not ask us, is this answer? Rather say,
This
this
is the answer.
answer. That is the first thing you have to do. The first class should be that whatever they know, they should be correct every time. And this concept is missing in mathematics. So teacher says, yes, check your answers, verify your answers, but they never teach you how to check. They'll say redo. Now, redo is not a solution. Can anyone find their own mistakes? In life also. Can I see my mistakes? And see, this is what is in Atharveda. When we'll do addition, I'll tell you what it means. When we'll do something, every time I'll tell you ki this is related to this human behavior. So just tell me, can you find your own mistakes?
Often not.
So how can you check your mistakes then? So problem is this. Some will write in fair 50, rough 50, or 50, 51, or 51, 50, or both 51. So the chances of correct is only 25%. That is where you lose confidence, because in exam you won't find parents, you won't find teacher, you won't find answer key, you won't find calculators, you won't find AI. And one first reason, whosoever is a maths teacher, they often ask me, sir, answers are given in the book now. I says, my books don't have answer keys. Why? Because the first topic itself is how to check your answers, how to be correct every time. Just think, if you are correct every time, will your confidence not boost up? And this is what is missing in maths. We were just doing redo, redo, redo. But my first target is my students should never ask me, is this answer? They should say, this is the answer. And after 3 answers, they should also say, and it is correct. A simple exercise I'll give you, not an exercise, a simple thing. Stand in front of mirror for 10 days and say, I can do this. I can do this. And the 11th day, you'll start feeling, yes, I can do this. Whatever is the point, I don't know, whatever is your target. Because self-belief is the best. Similarly, when you are correct every time and you are saying, yes, this is correct, the positivity which nobody can give you, that is inside you. Because you are feeling that thing, yes, I am correct. So your target is this only. Nothing new to be taught. First day. First day, teach them that you are correct. Only you were not taught, so it is not your mistake, beta. Don't worry. You are correct, and you have to be correct every time. And see how they connect with you in positive. Yes, हमें बताया ही नहीं गया हमारी क्या गलती है. That is what you need to develop. Now let's come to the topic. So what will make them correct? So the topic is digit sum. Yes, anyone from the name itself, can we make out what is digit sum?
0 to 9 numbers we are taking, sir. Then we add them.
शिल्पा ऐसे पढ़ाएंगे हम.
Digit means ones place, sir.
Digit means ones place. No, no, beta, no.
Just the sum of the digit.
Yes. Digit. See, don't cram anything. Word क्या है sum, word क्या है digit. So बस वही है sum of the digits. Finish. अब किसके लिख दो आगे ऑफ अ नंबर. Understand the words. Digit sum means sum of a digits of a number. But what is a number? A number could be, देखो ये यहां पे प्रॉब्लम आती है. Number could be single digit. A number could be multi-digit. Multi-digit means 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, or 5-digit, any number. So what's now here you have to clarify to the students what is a number and what is a digit. There is a difference. If it is a single digit, then number itself is a digit, or digit itself is a number. But in multi digits, there are 2 digits and the number is complete. Clear? So in single digits, what are the digits? It is 1, 2, up till, okay, 3, up till 9. When you have only 1 digit, so sum is also the same. So digit sum is also 1, 2, 3, 9. Second point. So first point is digit sum of digits of a number. Second point, very important. Digit sum is always single digit number between 1 to 9. Very important. Digit sum is always a single digit number between 1 to 9. So that means if I take 2-digit number, let's say 10. So digit sum 1 plus 0, because this has only 2 digits. Again, it is 1. 1, 4. So it is 1 plus 4, it is 5. 1, 8. It is 1 plus 8, it is 8, 9. 1, 9. So it is 1 plus 9 means 10. No, 10 cannot be digit sum because I have wrote it should be a single digit number. So again add 1 plus 0, it is a 1. So digit sum of 19 is 1. Up till here, any question?
No, sir.
Yes, Rama. Yes, Sabison, Sudeepa.
No, sir, no question.
Okay.
No.
Now comes, let's take bigger number, 282. So 2 plus 8 plus 2, 12. 12 means 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Correct. More bigger, 987. So 24. Correct. So 24 means 6. Again, one more, 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. So 6 and 4, 10. That means 1. Correct. Up till here, any doubt? Anyone has any question?
No, sir.
Okay, then let's practice few. Because with students, you have to practice at least 20, 30 questions. What is the digit sum of 3, 6, 9? Fast.
9.
What is the digit sum of 1, 2, 8, 9?
2.
Only one student is there in the class. Rest all gone. Slept. 676. Yes, Sudeepta. What is the digit sum?
1.
1.
What is digit sum of 8, 8, 8?
6.
6.
What is digit sum of 9, 1, 9?
1.
1.
What is digit sum of 9, 1, 9, 6, 3?
1.
9.
1. 1.
1.
See,
One,
this
one.
is 10 plus 18, 28. 28 means 10. 10 means 1.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Only one.
So you have to be fast. One more, and then I'll give you something else. Yes, Rama, are you able to do?
Which one?
Last one, 91963.
10, 9, 19 and 19. 19 and 9 is 28, 10, 1.
इतना देर नहीं चलेगा.
1.
Now I'll give you something magic. Okay. What is digit sum of 19?
1.
1.
1,
What is digit sum of 89?
8.
8,
What is digit sum of 632?
2.
2.
2,
What is digit sum of 45635?
5.
5,
What is digit sum of 999939?
3.
2.
Wrong.
1,
Wrong.
It should be 3.
Now understand, Rama, why he is fast. Why Tuhin is fast? I'll tell you the logic now. In 19, close your eyes. In 19, if you remove 9, what is left?
1,
And what was the answer?
1.
1,
If in 89, 9 is removed, what is the answer?
8 and all. The answer is
Otherwise
also
also
8.
it was 17 means 8. In 632, if I remove 6 and 3 because they are also coming 9. So what is the answer?
2,
In 4, 5, 6, 3, 4 and 5 are 9, 6 and 3 are 9. Answer is 5.
yeah,
5.
5.
And 999939, all 9s. So
The
whenever,
answer is 3.
now understand, ignore 9 or numbers adding to 9. Now this is visualization. This is the first thing in Vedic maths where I have taught you visualization. Why I asked you to close your eyes? Because that is, you might have not listened to me, but with students you have to do this practice. Because then only they'll be able to understand what I am saying them. So the moment you understand this, key in 19, 9 removed, 1 is the answer. Here, so big number 99939. Someone was saying 1, someone was saying 2, and Tuhin was saying 3. Because what he did, ignore all 9s. Answer is in front. What is this? Visualization, reasoning. 9 can be removed. Why? Remember the table of 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. सबको ऐड करके देखो. Every time the total was 9 only. So even if you remove 9, it will not impact. You do this 1 plus 9, 10, then also 1 plus 0, 1. So 9 removed, 1 is the answer in front. 89, 9 removed, 8 is the answer. This. So what happened? You learned the first instinct of visualization, reasoning, and logics. And here the benefit was your speed was increased. I told you, it's not that benefit is always monetary. It can be the other way. Here, if you understand this fact, if you got the reason of this, your speed automatically increased. Got it? So these are 2 exercises. First time, you will be doing without understanding 9. Second time, ignore 9 and take more examples. Now see your speed. What is digit sum of 9199?
1,
1.
63545.
5,
5.
5.
45729.
9.
9.
Okay, one
It
thing I
should
don't
be
do. Don't, I have said
0.
ignore 9. Don't say, if I ask you what is the digit sum of 9, don't say remove 0. Or if I say 99, don't say both removed 0. No, ignoring 9 is for your benefit, for increasing the speed, for kicking the speed. Ignoring is not removing or not subtracting or not deleting. Correct. You are just ignoring because adding will not also impact. One more. 3, 5, 1, 8.
8.
8.
Got it. So these two exercises. So exercise 1 is your homework for today, which you have to do. Right. See, written work you can take, you might take time. So try mentally first and then write down everything and you can submit in the group. Right. In this group only, the WhatsApp group, you can submit your homework. Up till here, any doubt?
No.
No,
Now
sir.
question arises why we were doing this. Why we did this? Addition. We are not in the age of learning additions. So why we were learning additions? One is their speed increases with kids. They find this magical, interesting. And now after this, the benefit you'll understand. Let's talk about addition. Let's say this is a question 3, 5, 8, 7, 8, 5. Can you give me the sum? Can you let me know the sum? What is the sum?
One 145.
1143.
Somebody told
No, it's
1145.
114.
No,
Yes,
somebody.
43.
114.
1143.
4-3.
Sir, I know it
Yes,
is
sir.
3. I know it is 3, but somebody said 5 and we'll do by 5 first. You need to understand this only. Now, how to check this? What is the digit sum of 358?
7.
7.
What is digit sum of 785?
2.
Yes.
2.
Everybody says same. It is addition. So what is the digit sum?
9.
9.
9.
What is digit sum of this?
11.
2.
2.
1. 1.
1. 5 and 4 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. How 1?
2.
I ignore this and 1, 1, 2.
1, 1, 2. 2. Yeah.
Now, this answer is wrong. Why? Because digit sum of the quotient part is 9 and answer part is 2. Is it possible? Wrong.
No, sir.
So this is, you got your mistake. Whosoever did this wrong, now he understood that I am doing something wrong. If I change the answer to 1143, now what is the digit sum?
9.
9.
9. So the question part and the answer part is matching now. So that means this is correct. So what is happening? You are able to check your questions yourself. You don't have to refer to parent. You don't have to refer to the teacher. You don't have to refer to the answer key. Nowhere. You are correct every time. Now you understood. And that's why I took, somebody said wrong. No issues. Is it clear now? Now see, is it difficult to understand this?
No.
If this was taught in class 1, when the student was doing addition questions, and here also we are again doing addition only, single digit addition. Will they be ever wrong?
No, sir.
So this is missing in maths. Okay, 1 point I left. Now, since I ignored 9 and did the calculation, this topic, digit sum, is also called as Navashesh. Nava means 9, Shesh means remaining. So digit sum, Nava Shesh. Also, it has got another name called digital root. There is also another term somewhere in maths, digital root, but this is different. So this is digital root, digit sum. Another name, it is Bijank. Bij Ank. So digit sum has 4 names: digit sum, Navashesh, digital root, and Bijank. Clear? Yes, any doubt in addition?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Second. Okay, this question is for you. You check it and you tell me whether it is correct or wrong. I don't want the answer first. You first check yourself. Say this is correct or wrong. Do it.
One five seven.
Is it correct or not? I don't want the answer now. You said 3157 and it is correct. Then your word would be complete.
Six.
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now see.
Digit sum of 717 is 6, 896 is 5, 989 is 8, 555 is 6, and digit sum of 3157 is 7. Now 6587 digit sum is another 7. So 7 and 7, they're matching.
Now see. Did you now you have to refer any answer key?
No, sir.
No.
Any calculator? Nothing. So just imagine. And does it involve anything else? No, it involves simple addition only. But the point was, this topic is not in maths. This is a concept of Vedic astrology. And you know, I'll tell you, everybody uses this. Where?
Yes, yes,
in
yes.
numerology.
Ah, like
Everybody uses.
my date of birth is 19 and people tell कि एक का जातक है.
उसके बाद वो पूरे को भी लेके सिंगल डिजिट में लाते हैं कंपाउंड नंबर करके. करेक्ट. Now this is what they do. So everybody is using in numerology, but they don't know how to use in maths. This is irony. जो वो हमारा एक नेचर है ना. एक और क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा अभी. Rama, when do we teach multiplication?
In 3rd standard.
Perfect. When do we teach squares?
What?
Grade 7.
Squares.
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 Grade 7.
8th syllabus.
8.
8th syllabus it is. In CBSE it is in 8th standard. Okay, Sebastian, 7th also. What is the difference between multiplication and squares?
Doubling the
Multiplication
number
of the same
square.
number.
What is the difference? See, multiplication means
Both
A
of them are
into
same.
B. But
Yeah, it is A into E or B into B.
Please understand my point. Can we never multiply two same numbers?
Yes.
So what is that?
Square.
That's
Then
square.
why do we teach? And this you can test today. Talk to a 7th class student, talk to a 6th class student, ask them, have you done scaring? They'll say, no, it will be coming in 8th standard. This is the hardcore truth. Because they have crammed multiplication. They don't know what is scaring. They don't understand that it is A into B and that is A into A. That's all. And Sudipta, you were saying that this was taught to us the way. This is what is the problem. Syllabus was designed in some year. Still, we are not have the guts to update that. You tell me one simple reason, any reason why that is kept in class 3rd and why that is kept in class 8th. So I have done that in class 5th only, 4th, 5th book. So that they, at least their fear has gone. It is coming in their school or not, that is not a burden.
Yes.
Okay. Now addition is clear.
Yes.
Let's talk about multiplication. First, I'll start with 2-digit numbers. Very simple. Let's say 36 into 11. Very simple. You find out. You first tell me the answer.
396.
396. Everybody knows. Correct. Let's check out. So, this, what is the digit sum of 36? It is 9.
9.
What is the digit sum of 11?
2.
2. Now, the operation is multiplication. In actual, you don't have to check also. Because you know table of 9, whatever you multiply, that sum will be 9 only. So 18 means 9, correct? If I check here, what is the digit sum?
9.
9.
9.
Got it? One more example. Now, let's take a bigger one. 141 into 22. Yes, tell me. What is the answer? And this answer you will be giving in the answer in 3 seconds after tomorrow.
2102.
2824.
Wrong.
21. So,
Yes. Yes, Tuhin, answer. Rama.
3102.
Please, Soumya.
3102.
Perfect. So only one is trying. Now let's come. What is digit sum of 141? 6.
2822.
4.
24 means again 6. Correct. What is the digit sum here?
6.
6.
Finish. So see, you were saying the multiplication you cannot check. Is it difficult?
No, sir.
Problem is, whatever we don't know, we have not seen. That is always difficult because we don't know. See, a very simple example I'll tell you. When you're heading towards a new journey, you will always feel you are taking more time. And on return, you'll feel we reached well in time. Otherwise, if you check the timing, both time it's same. But that is our feeling. Because first time we are acquaintance to that thing. We are trying to observe everything. Correct. Up till here, any doubt?
No,
No.
sir.
So addition gone, multiplication gone. Now, so this was a reason why we should do digit sum. To check our answers. Addition we have done. Multiplication we have done. That means third class we have done. In fourth standard, one very important, even third, one very important topic comes that is called as MCQs. And this is up till our engineering and everywhere, entrance exams. What is MCQs? Multiple choice questions. Now, what we are taught, we have to select the best answer. Again, I'll give you one question. You talk to any teacher, any child, they'll start finding it. I'll give you one example. 352 into 867. And the options are 315, 284. Second, 305, 184. Third, 302, 514. Fourth, 305, 284. Yes, how will you solve this?
2. Second is the answer.
Yes, Sebastian, Sudipta, how will you solve? You are good at calculation with abacus, but logically, how will you solve it?
Digit sum will add the numbers, sir. 3 plus 5 plus 2.
Correct.
Then 8 plus 6 plus 7. So the answer will be 3 into 1. So
yes, Sudipta, how will you do? Rama, how will you do? Because you are very...
Number 2, sir. Number 2, option number 2.
How you got this answer?
Actually, digit sum of the 2 digits of the question.
If digit sum was not taught to you 5 minutes back, 10 minutes back, then what was your option?
Traditional multiplication we use, sir.
Yes.
Traditional manual method.
Now understand, because see, I connect with students more. Whenever I'm in book fairs, so students, parents, they come. When I give this question to a child, he says 5 minutes. Why? Because they have to do the calculation. 3 time multiplication, then addition, and then it involves so many multiple carryovers, what you were talking about, Rama. So what happens? You take more than 2 minutes. They'd say 5 minutes, but I'll say more than 2 minutes. But in entrance exam, this question is given only 1 minute. So that means even if they are correct, they are losing 1 mark. Got my point? If they take 2 minutes, if 5 minutes, then they have lost 4 marks. So that is why we get negative marking in entrance exams. But with Vedic maths, what we just now learned, what is the digit sum of 352? 1. What is the digit sum here? 3. No, 3 into 1 is 3. We just saw a correct answer has question and answer part as same. So that means the best answer, the correct answer will have the same. Finish. You can check others also. 8, 9, 5, 4. 5 is digit sum. Can it be possible? Question has 3, answer has 5. No. Here, 5, 4 gone. 6. Can it be possible? No. 3, 0, 5, 2, 8, 4. So 10 and 9 gone. 13, 4. Can it be possible? No. So understand. Instead of solving, we know how to add faster. So just by adding, and it is not only multiplication. Any arithmetic operation, if MCQ is coming, any, you can do with the help of digit sum only. And not only in 3rd class entrance or 5th class, even banking exams. If you know this concept, you are able to score better because you are able to do faster. So you get time to attempt more questions. Now, any question on this?
No.
Got it. I've just given one example, but you can see thousands of such examples. You can solve. Is it clear, Rama? Is it clear, Savesan? Sudipta?
Yes,
Soumya?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Soumya, I understand you are driving, but Are you getting something? Else you need to check with the video and then you can ask me questions tomorrow, next class, sorry. Or tomorrow morning also you can ask. Now,
In case of subtraction, will it remain for
we'll
the
come.
next class?
Now no.
Okay.
We have time, sir.
Okay.
We'll complete today only. I'll not leave. I'm just saying.
Because there will be a minus digit sum.
No, we will talk about this. Now,
Okay.
so addition done, multiplication done, MCQs done. But now comes your important subtraction. Now, before proceeding to this, there is one small point over here. Till now, what I said, adding the digits and reducing to 1 to 9, in between 1 to 9. Second, I said, so first adding the digits, second, I said it is always a single digit number between 1 to 9. Third important point now, in case of calculations, if digit sum comes 0 or negative number, then add 9 to it. Now, here you will think, sir, digit sum means adding the digits, just hold. So how can it be 0? How can addition be 0? Or how can addition be negative? You might think like this. But I have used one word, in case of calculations. So that can happen. I'll give you an example.
In case of subtraction, it can happen.
Yes, it can happen. Let's take one example. I'll say case 1, because we'll deal with 3 case. An entire book, entire topics will be doing case wise, so that not even a single number is left. Now, kind of number. 324 minus 226. What is the answer? Yes, what is the answer?
98.
96.
सुदीप्ता, क्या हो गया आपको? 14 में से 6 गए, कितने रहते हैं? 8.
98. 98 is the answer, sir.
ध्यान से भाई. 98, correct? Let's check it out. What is digit sum of 3 to 4?
Yes, it's 98. Right.
9.
What is digit sum of 2 to 6?
1.
So 9
1.
minus 1 is?
8.
8.
What is digit sum of 98?
8.
8.
Got
8.
it?
Yes.
Subtraction, one case is done. Now I'll change the number. Case 2. $324 minus 225. Now what is the answer?
97.
Check.
99.
रमा का नहीं.
Oh, I'm sorry. 99.
Now see. So what is the digit sum of answer?
9.
9. 8.
What is
9.
digit sum of 324? 9. What is digit sum here?
9.
9. 9
9.
minus 9 is 0. So we are
0.
wrong.
0.
Digit sum of question is coming 0 and digit sum of answer is coming 9. How is it possible?
Whenever it comes to 0, we add 9.
Got it?
Yes.
So that was what I told you. During calculation, if digit sum comes to be 0, so that means add 9. So now 9 and 9 matches. This was my meaning. Got it?
Can you repeat, sir?
What did you not understand? Please ask. Ask me. No issues.
3 to 4, digit sum is 9.
Correct.
2 to 5, digit sum is again 9.
What? Yes. 9 minus 9 is?
9 is 0.
Okay. And what is the answer? A digit sum of answer?
That is 9 again.
Correct. So that
Add
means
9 to add 9.
got my point. Whenever digit sum comes to 0, you need to add 9. Otherwise, you will be confused. How 0? So that's why case study. So that every type of number you should cover. Now, third, I'll change again. So this was 324. Let me make it 323 minus 225. Now what is the answer?
98.
98.
Okay. 98. So what is digit sum of 323?
8.
8.
What is digit sum of 225?
9.
9.
9.
So what is
Answer is
8 minus 9?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
And here it is
Plus
8.
8.
So those
plus
doesn't
9.
matches. But
We need,
Minus
we need to
1
add.
plus 9.
We need to add 1
so
9.
if I add
Minus 1.
here, it also becomes 8. Got it? Now this
Yes.
is clear. So these are 3 types, 3 cases which you'll come across. Write down these 3 if you are writing. Otherwise, now any question on this 3 arithmetic operations. So up till 5th standard, they have not taught us this. 6th standard comes and we are taught about division. I'll give you the easy format for that also. Let's take any big number. I'm giving you a question 987654 divided by 5. Can you give me the quotient and remainder? Yes, tell me what is the quotient?
Quotient is 197530.
And what is the remainder?
4.
4.
197.
530.
Okay. So as per you, the quotient is 197530 and remainder is
4.
4. Correct. So how do you check? You check like this. Dividend.
Into quotient plus remainders.
Arey nahi mama. Divisor into.
Digital sum.
Divisor into quotient plus remainder.
So dividend is 987654. Now your divisor is 5. Your quotient is 197530 and 4. So that means again you will multiply this. Do it. Do it. Do it. So what is the answer?
Take the digital sum.
Wait. Yes, do
In
Rama.
case of dividend, it is
अरे बाप रे यही प्रॉब्लम तो बच्चों की
3.
थी छोटे क्वेश्चंस तो बहुत अच्छे लगते थे अब इसका मतलब हमने तो अपने गले में आफत मोल ले ली कि डिवीजन करना था, पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी करो. Anyhow, you will learn this multiplication very simply. So let me tell you, this is nothing but 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 0 plus 4, or that will come to equal. Correct? But how tedious it was. Now understand, if you use digit sum over here, so what is digit sum of this? 5, 4 gone, 9 gone, 876 कितना था? अभी याद किया था. 15 and 6, 21. 3.
3.
What is here? 5 into 197 का ये लो. 5, 4, 9 gone, 7.
9 on 7
कितनी जल्दी
plus
कर
4.
लोगे आप, क्योंकि विजुअलाइजेशन इज स्ट्रॉन्ग नाउ. 7 5 से कितना होता है?
35.
35. कितनी
35
calculations
plus
have been
4.
reduced? See how many calculations
39.
you have
39.
reduced? 39. So 39 में 9 को इग्नोर करो, क्या रह गया?
Plus 3 हो जाएगा.
Got the point? It was using your only what you were using, but now it is more simple because the calculations have been reduced. Is it clear up till here? Now, but this is not clear. Okay. I'll start from very small example, then I'll take this example again. Now, why I said this is not complete, because division you solve two ways. One is quotient plus remainder format. Second is complete answer.
Decimal format.
It can be decimal, it can not, sometimes it is not. And again, this is of two types.
Recurring, non-recurring.
Recurring and non-recurring means terminating.
Non-terminating.
So now I'll take first small example, then I'll take the same example what we did just now. Let's say 75 divided by 2. So what is the answer? 37.
37.5.
0.5.
Correct. How will we check this now? See, if the answer I would have given you quotient is equal to 37, remainder is equal to 1, you would have found it. But now the answer is in decimal. How will I do?
Using digital sum.
How?
Digit sum. 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Here 3 plus 7, 10 plus 15. 1 plus 15 is 6.
What is digit sum of divide by 2?
2. 7 plus 5 का digit sum होगा 12. Divide by 2, that is 6.
Okay.
Now 37.5. 10
You
plus 5,
are
15.
correct here, but every time division is not possible.
Not possible.
When I'll take the same example.
75 by 7.
Wait, sir. Now understand. You are correct in this, but at some questions your formula will fit. At some questions your format will not fit. I'll show you in the upper one. Even if it fits, then you are doing so much long work. So I don't have to do that. See, please understand, can I write this as 75 into 1 by 2?
Yes.
Up till here, anyone has doubt?
Yes, sir.
What is 1 by 2? It is nothing but 75 into 0.5. Now, please remember one thing. Decimal has no position, no value in digit sum. So what is the digit sum of this? 3. 7 and 5 is 12 means 3. And this is 5. So 3 into 5 is 15 means 6. Any doubt on this?
No.
If I check here also decimal has no role. So 375 means 15 means 6. Got it? But only thing is you should know. I'll give you the answer why I said I objected to him. I'll give you the reason now. This was a question 987654 divided by I said 5. I'll write it again. 987654 divided by 5. The answer was 19753.0.8. Now, you could have done by 1 by 5 the way he was saying. But sometimes it's not that easy because agar upar 1 aa gaya then. Correct. Now, 9 gone, 5 gone, this gone. So I said 3. फिर 3 by 5 करेंगे आप? No.
नहीं होगा.
So we can do 3 into 1 by 5. यहाँ तक तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. What is 1 by 5? 0.2.
0.2.
So 3 into 2 is 6. है ना? ये अभी हमने किया है. सेम यहाँ डेसिमल्स हैं 9 5 3 8 सॉरी 5 3 नहीं काटते 5 3 1 काट दिया चलो and 7 and 8 is this 7 and this 8 15
that is 6.
got it. So what you should know, see, understand what you should know. Very important thing. What is 1 by 2? It is 0.5. What is 1 by 4? It is 0.25. What is 1 by 8? It is 0.125.
125.
What is 1 by 5? It is 0.2. So these small things you should know.
200 volts.
Got it? Otherwise, you'll not be able to do. So got it? How division can be checked in fractions also. Sorry, decimals, when you get decimal answer. But here, I said there are 2 types. One is fixed. For example, we did 75 by 2. So that was 37.5. Terminate. Can we extend this further? No. But if I see same 1 by 3, it is 0.333. How many 3's you can write? It's your choice. 1 by 9. 0.11111. How many ones? So when you don't have the limit, it is not terminating. Here digit sum cannot be applied. So digit sum can be applied only on terminating, non-recurring. If it is recurring, you cannot apply. Up to here, any question?
No, sir.
So similarly, in case of similarly, in the case of so Division, one is quotient remainder format. That is very clear. That you used to do. But in case of fractions or when the answer is in decimals, two types are there. First is recurring. What is non-recurring? So non-recurring you cannot do. Plus, wherever there is approximation. Now, the word approx comes. For example, when you talk about 22 by 7 pi, you say approximately 3.14. You never say it is fixed. So that time you cannot apply because in actual 1 by 7 is not terminating. Got it? So जहां भी approx होगा वहां पे digit sum cannot be applied. Now any question on division?
No, sir.
Yes, Sudipta.
No, sir.
Rama, Sabesan, Soumya.
No, sir.
Okay. So we have covered 4 arithmetic operations. Now comes the 5th, from which we think cannot be, which is done in 8th. And you will see that is much more easier. Right now, I am going to give you the examples. Okay, you can find also. So scaring. I'll ask you very simple questions. What is 25 scale?
625.
625.
Very good.
625.
So let's check it out. How to check 25? 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 square is
49.
49. That means 4.
4.
Yes.
Let's check this 625. 8 and 5, 13. 13 means 4.
4.
Got it. One more example. 121 square. Yes. What is the answer? 14641. Okay, you check. You find out. Try. You do it with your multiplication approach, but when we'll do this, we'll do with a different approach. You can do the way you know. No, not an issue with me. Just give me 1 second.
14641.
Correct.
14641.
So I was correct. Wow.
14641.
I'm coming.
Yes.
I'm just coming.
हाँ चेक हो गया.
7.
Okay. Sorry. So 1 4 6 4 1. Let's check it out. 1 to 1 means 4. 4 square means 16. 16 means 7. And here 4 4 1 gone. 6 1 means 7. Yes. Now is it difficult?
No.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Got it. So see, if you see the problem in maths was student was never confident whether he's correct or not. That is the only problem. Because in history, they'll write story. In geography, they'll write something at least. But in maths, what can you write if you don't know you're correct or not? Everywhere you can write something or other. But here it is only calculation. And you talk to every child, you'll understand this is what they feel about. You leave everything. I'll tell you one simple story. My son, he cleared Vellum entrance exam, Vellum boys, 10 years back. Yes, 2015, 16. And he scored 100% marks in maths. That's why roll number also won everything. But later, the same person, when joined class in 5th, he was saying, Maths means मेरी आत्मा तुझे हरदम सताती है. So see, what happens? This is a phobia we create for the students. Because you know what we do? Hey, be attentive. Maths teacher is coming. You have a maths class. Right? It's maths, not a terrorist class. Why we are behaving like this? Why we are making a fear? You have to learn maths because it is very important. Right? Make it a cool one. Tomorrow I'll show how to play game. And that is what you need to teach. They'll learn. First, generate the interest. Once interest is created, they will learn everything. They don't need to be taught then. Okay. Light gone. Chalo. Another. Scaring is complete. Any doubt, any questions on this you can find now. You can check. Then comes your cubes. So cubes means, again, let's take any example. Let's say 12 cube. Yes, anyone remembers the answer? 1728 or what? Okay, try. Find out.
1728.
1.
Good. मेरे को आ गया.
1728.
So 1728. Let's check it out. 12 means 3. 3 cube means 27. Because
9.
later you'll be taught,
9.
you'll be remembering first 10 cubes. So 9. Here if you see all 9, finish. Right. Let's take one more example. 9 cube, no.
Sir, there is one question.
Correct, please.
Hello.
Yes, please.
The question is like we are cross-checking, that's fine. But while finding the answer, we are using traditional method. There, our speed is not increasing.
No. In the first class, how can I teach you all arithmetic operations in 1 hour?
Okay.
What I said.
There
So
are
if you
shorts method.
see, Rama, in the first class, if you start teaching to a child, will he be there in the class?
Oh.
We are not teaching first day. We are just looking whatever way they know, whatever methodology they adopt. Right now, I said find square of 121. As you know, I can give you 20 ways to find square of 121. But that I learned afterwards only, na? First day, how can I know?
Yes.
So first day is, first you have, I told you my topic today is to make you confident that you are correct, not to teach you scaring, not to teach you cubing, not to teach you multiplication. I am just teaching you to be confident today कि you are correct. बस अभी तो सिखाया ही नहीं. We have not taught even addition also. Got my point? Don't get confused in that point. First day means we not no nothing new. कहना यही है nothing new, but we are teaching digit sum. Correct, got my point. Because you have to generate that positiveness in them. Clear? Okay. Now, what was the next question? Okay. Let's say digit sum, cube of 22. Yes, give me the answer.
10648.
10.
10648.
Okay.
10648.
10648. 22. 22 means 4 cube. What is cube of 4? 64.
64.
So that means 1.
1.
And here 10 means 1.
6 plus 4 is another one.
Clear? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now comes the most important square root and cube root. Even they can be checked. So square root means reverse of, you can say square. Let me give you one question. 1156. Can you find the answer? I'm not giving you my way. Whatever technique, whatever way you know, give me the answer.
$34.
How did you get the answer?
Traditional method. Division.
Division method.
Uh,
Good. Now, let me tell you, digit sum cannot be applied on this under root.
34 whole cube के होगा.
So, what is the way out?
34 whole square.
I have to write like this. 1156 is equal to 34 square. Reverse. So, what is the digit sum of 1156?
Yeah.
4.
Yes, what is the digit sum of 1156?
3.
Why 3? 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 means 4.
4. Sorry.
ऐसा मत करो ना.
4.
Or what is 7 square? Again 4.
49.
4.
Got it. Only remember, digits sum cannot be applied on under root. That's all. बाकी उसको उल्टी तरफ स्केयर कर दो, खत्म. राइट. और एग्जांपल लेंगे जब करेंगे, बट टुडे इट वाज कि यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू ऑपरेट. ऐसे ही इफ इट इज अंडर रूट, क्यूब रूट, सॉरी, let's say 6859. What is the cube root of this? Sudipta, try.
7.
Yes, tell me. Anyone?
89.
90.
Cube root. Oh, it's not. No, it's cube root. Cube root. Sorry.
Sorry,
Cube root.
I am also sorry. I have to write this here. You should. So it is 19. You can check later. Again, 6, 1859 is equal to 19 cube. So 19 means 1, 1 cube means 1. And what is
Yeah, 9.
this 9 gone? 6, 8, 5 means 14 and 5, 19. 19 again means 1. Clear? Or any doubt?
No, sir.
So this, now just understand, if you are never wrong in maths, how will you feel? See, today we have done up till 8th standard, but student, you have to start with 3rd. So if you're teaching them addition, multiplication and subtraction, and they are correct every time, slowly and steadily they'll go to division, and in 6th they'll go for division and everything. Will they be ever feeling the fear? They'll be always, oh, maths, we can do it, because they know how to check it. They know the reverse action. So this is how they develop. You can generate the confidence in them. Got it? Yes. Now any question you have?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So all of you are having books. There is an exercise given of to find digit sum, and whatever question you can try on addition, subtraction, multiplication, just check it out yourself. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, Rama? All clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So I'll share you the video after an hour, and rest you can submit here only, right? We'll upload back to this and do it. Correct? Okay then.
Good
Thank you
night.
and good night.
Okay, ji.
Good night.
Yes, sir. Good night, sir.